Well, we're packing up. We're leaving in the morning, ready to get to Michigan so we can go camping. I'm excited. So we have to leave the house here at about 7 o'clock in the morning, which is not too early, but our flight leaves at, I believe, 9 o'clock, and then we fly for a few hours. I think it's only like a 3 or 4 hour flight, and then we land in Chicago, and then we go from Chicago to Michigan. And you like the way I said that? Anyway, we're doing that to get to Michigan, so we're excited. So excited. So the day you're watching this, we're actually flying to Michigan. So pumped. So packing all this luggage, all this baggage, it kind of reminds me how so many of us have baggage in our lives that we carry around with us all the time, that we don't need to carry around with us. The Bible says to cast all of your care upon Him, Jesus, because He cares for you. Jesus is able to take all of those burdens, to take all of those cares, all of that baggage, and make it His own. He did that on the cross, and He's willing to help you through it. Cast all of your care, all of your burdens, all of your luggage, all of your baggage upon the Lord, because He cares for you, and He wants to take care of you, and He wants to take care of that baggage for you. I will catch y'all tomorrow right here on the vlog. See ya.